Where it starts getting a little trickier is when you have decimals in your divisor. Your divisor is the number that sits outside of the division symbol and is the second number in your division problem. So you can think of, instead of saying 1.6 divided by 0.2, you can think of how many of your divisors fit inside of your dividend of your larger chunk. So how many 0.2s fit inside of 1.6? So we can partition off our 0.2s and then count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Same concept. How many 0.4s fit inside of 1.6? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer would be 4. How many 0.8s fit inside of 1.6? Well, here's one of your 0.8s. Here's another 0.8, so that would be 2. You'll notice that when we have a decimal inside our divisor, our answer tends to be a larger number greater than 1. Typically, not always, but typically. So that's something to look forward to.